Sounds like it's running. That's hot. I highly doubt it's going to go in the defrost. It's not that frozen. Anyway, let's go look at the other one. Before this video cuts out. Sounds like it's running as well. It's just a little frozen, not that much. Here's the 204 Train XV10 central air conditioners. I have videos of those running from this past summer. They have awesome compressor sounds when they do. Okay, I'm gonna go take a look at that Lennox. See if it's running. Don't know if it is. I can just take... Oh, it is. Let's go take a look. I can barely hear it. Covered in snow, but it's running. Okay, I can't be here that long. So here's the 2015 2.5 ton Lennox heat pump running in heat mode. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And here are two of the Goodmans. These are both straight cool units, so they're not going to be running, but there it is running.